Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here at OnSite Support. Last time I saw you, Warren, was at Highways UK, and we talked a lot about PPE that fits and getting the right boots and the inner soles. But today, folks, I've come to look at green gloves because I noticed this when we came into your reception here, 100 tons of CO2 saved just from using different pair of gloves than the norm. Tell me a little bit about that and why it's so important.
That's great. I was on one of the HS2 projects where we looked at a life extending glove, so therefore the product lasts longer. And they were the first project to go over 100 tons of CO2 saved. That has actually gone beyond that now, but it just gives you an example of going for a better quality product that gives you CO2 savings, as well as being safer during that time as well, because it's a very high cut protection.
And that is critical when you're looking at PPE that is right for purpose, not just right for the environment as well, Warren. But you may have noticed, folks, we've got a big tub of washing powder here because, Warren, the other thing that you talked to me about was you're actually putting laundrettes on job sites. I mean, why would you do that?
Well, it's all about the well-being of the people on the site, the guys and girls, so they can actually have it washed, not take it home, wash it with their children's, their family stuff. It also means you can go for better quality PPE because you're washing it. Again, you're extending the life of it. So you can actually go for a better quality, maybe more expensive PPE, but it will actually last longer and be cost effective in the long run, as well as that well-being piece. Really, really important to have clean PPE.
And of course, you know, when we look at PPE, I see it's filthy. I've seen gone on to start job sites myself where I've got my PPE all oily or muddy, and you have that kind of reluctance to clean it. I mean, I might use a little cloth or something because the strips have fallen off for me in the past, and I guess that comes down to me buying poorer quality PPE in the first place.
And also maybe not washing it right. You know, it's very important to go by the labels, go by the washing recommendation in each of the products because they're all different. But I think, yeah, it is that thing out on site. People think it's perhaps cool to be looking a bit mucky, look like you've done some work, but why not get it clean? It's better for you, better well-being for you and your colleagues.
And it's high visibility, folks. That's the whole point. So other things that I brought my screwing brush here today, Warren, but that was just a little bit of a focus. Like have things to clean your boots as well in your kit bag. Because again, I go to sites where sometimes I'll be out on site, but then I'll ask to go indoors, where there's an area where actually, you know, you can't have muddy boots. Yes, you can have your over boots, but keep them clean, isn't it?
Absolutely. Really, really important. And it will make the boot last longer as well. So.
Well, when things do come to the end of their life, Warren, as some of my PPE has in the past, and that's why I'm here with the team here, it's good to put them in the recycling. Now, you'll see here is a blue bin. And yes, for artistic purposes, we put a brand new PPE in it, but it's designed for PPE on site, from gloves to boots to glasses to hard hats and even to packaging for people to recycle, isn't it? And that's really important because that can make a difference as well, can't it?
Absolutely. It's about just having it in the right place. And the beauty of this, it is any product in there, which we all know how confusing it is. Maybe when you walk up to a bin, you've got different places for different things. So this makes it simple, really easy. And the packaging for the new can go in there. But on top of that, we've got data. So we can actually measure how much you've recycled on each of your projects as well, which is really, really powerful. Because you can actually almost make a game of it as well, get projects to compete against each other. But the beauty of it is it's simple, you get the data, and it's a really, really easy system to use.
And of course, you can take that away and recycle it properly and get it, you know, the carbon impact again on the job site, which is what we're all about. If we're going to get to net zero, it all adds up, doesn't it?
Absolutely. 100% diversion from landfill, and even the waste streams it's gone into, you get through that data. Really, really important.
So, folks, from the recycling, from the washing, from 100 tons of CO2 just from a pair of gloves, it's all about the circular economy here with PPE, with on-site support. Warren, great to see all of that and great to be able to be here today to get some PPE that fits not just me, but some of my industry colleagues, including my son as well. So cheers.
Good. And I guess the key is keep your PPE that fits clean as well.
Absolutely.